It's gonna be awesome.
Stick with us. Don't lose us.
Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it. I'm Skinny Kenny.
I'm Musclehead Kev, and we're the Claw Brothers. Welcome to Brothers Bistro, here for your health.
Yeah, we are.
Today we got something special on tap.
We've always got something special on
But we're
tap.
back in Colorado. It's like 80 degrees outside, which is just pretty hot for up here in the mountains, right?
Yeah, I feel like we should have put our white unis on because it's so hot in here. But we are cooking up something special. Kev's right about that. It's the Buffalo Chicken Platter. And, you know, we haven't had a lot of good luck with the air fryer. This thing calls with air fryer, so we're going to cook the air fryer piece in the oven.
I convinced him to do it in the oven. It'll take a little longer, but the problem with the air fryer, what we've seen in the past, at least the one that we have, is it doesn't have enough volume. It's kind of small.
Yeah,
so
right.
We can actually do a convection oven, and that's kind of what the air fryer is doing. So we can do a convection oven in our oven here. So we're gonna try that.
So this is a recipe that's perfect for the summer. You're out, you know, watching the game, whatever the game is. This would be something you could serve. Comes in 3 parts: chicken strips, turkey balls, and cauliflower something or another.
And that's the other thing I complained about. 3 parts. Come on.
This is it. Look at what we got, buddy.
Well, now we're talking. This thing got pretty simple. You know, I just came into the picture and I said, you know what, bro? Let's just splice it out. And we're gonna do cauliflower bites right now.
Right.
See? Look at that. It only takes a little bit of margarine or butter, a little bit of almond flour, a little bit of hot sauce, and some cauliflower.
And we're starting with this because we think it's gonna take the longest to cook.
Because it's gotta get soft.
Because it's gotta get soft, and the turkey and the chicken are gonna cook pretty quickly. They're gonna cook pretty quickly.
They are?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
If I know my chicken and my turkey.
Yeah, well, he doesn't know anything. Don't watch him because he's learning as he goes.
So when we come back, we're going to be cutting up the cauliflower. We've done this before on camera, but I'll let Kevin cut himself again for your viewing pleasure, and we'll get going on this stuff.
Okay, so hang right with us, right?
Yep, that's right.
Okay, we got our sauce on. We're going to go with our almond flour. All right, here we go.
Ooh, that looks pretty good. And we had we got the oven there preheating in the back.
Okay. I'm gonna pull my gloves off, and you're gonna open up the oven so I can put this in there.
Okay.
I'm gonna set the timer for about 20 minutes and check it.
So we're slicing up the chicken strips right now. Kev's working on the chicken strips. He's trimming off the fat as he goes, which is a good practice.
I'm gonna gently put it in there.
And we got the margarine in the bottom there, so we're going to do this until it's lightly brown. And then we're going to pull it off and put it into a bowl. Let's see what your chicken looks like. Look at that, he's got the chicken off. Now he's adding in the hot sauce because we're going to toss that in. And you know what I'm just realizing is we didn't get enough hot sauce because we doubled the recipe.
Okay, so give me some more hot sauce. Off camera, let's get some more hot sauce and we'll toss it in here. Okay, I got the blue cheese. I got the turkey. I'm going in with the garlic.
And then we're gonna make some meatballs out of this and put it on a cookie sheet. So can you take away all this other stuff and get me a cookie sheet? We don't need this.
Till later.
Right. Okay.
How many balls are you gonna make?
Well,
when you come back, we're gonna have our balls all made.
We're going into the oven with the turkey now. And we've got the other 2 pieces of this platter chilling in the microwave to try and keep them warm a little bit. Because we got another 15 minutes or so before the turkey is done. And this is the challenge with making multiple things with your meal. You gotta try and
when you come back, we'll be coming out of the oven and we'll put it together on a plate for a snackage.
We've used all our blue cheese in the chicken, so we had a little bit of a cheese, kind of a, what is this?
It's a cheese loaf or whatever, with blue cheese.
And we're gonna stir in this Greek yogurt, so it calls for about a cup.
Another scoop like that and you'd be there.
Okay. And then we got our cheese.
And how much sour cream?
A tablespoon.
1 tablespoon of sour cream. Okay.
And a teaspoon of this apple cider vinegar.
Okay, that's it.
Maybe a dash more.
Oh, Duddy.
Come on. You can't ever have too much. Okay, now we're just gonna mix it together. And this is gonna be our dipping sauce.
Which we may or may not like.
Right.
Okay.
And when we come back, as my brother said on the last shot, when we come back, we're actually gonna have everything to assemble onto the platter. We're waiting, oh no, we're waiting for the turkey balls, and then we gotta fry them in the skillet for a little bit to put the hot sauce on them. So we got one more
Wow,
step.
for not a complicated recipe, buddy.
That looks pretty good. It's a little purple because we had, the cheese had a little blueberry in it. What do you got there, buddy?
Well,
Our turkey balls are looking pretty good. Okay, these all need to go into the skillet, and then we need to add a little hot sauce.
okay, we're doing it right now. They did all right. They stayed together, and the cheese kind of melted. In hindsight, we should have kept out some of our cheese, just a little bit of our cheese. Whoops, that one kind of crumbled on me. All right, so I'm gonna put the hot sauce in.
Here's the hot sauce. And we gotta kind of toss it a little bit so that it ends up with the hot sauce.
My brother loves it when I shake it like that. See?
Right, right. The pan's not very hot, so.
Let's get in there. We'll cook it a little.
So when we come back, we should be ready then to assemble our final platter.
Well, have you heard the saying of kitchen inventory?
Yeah, we definitely did kitchen inventory today.
Wow, this took a long time to do. There's basically 3 different plates, 3 different dishes, and I'm not really sure how it came out. We'll see.
So we got more than what you see here because we couldn't really find a big enough platter. We needed a much bigger platter. So we got the chicken here,
Okay.
and we got the turkey balls,
Right.
and then we got the cauliflower, and then sprinkled in here we got a little celery for the dippage.
Okay. How's that?
That's good.
All right.
And
I'm
I think
I'm gonna try a little bit of cauliflower.
I lost my turkey there. All right.
Okay. Well, that's okay. I mean, it's like a party platter.
Yeah. The turkey is good. My bro didn't like the turkey, but
Well, the turkey had the blue cheese in it, and I'm not a fan of blue cheese, so.
right. Wow. Okay. I mean, it was a fair amount of work, to be honest, but it came together nicely. And you could do any one of these things, and you don't have to do all 3.
Right. So, if you're getting ready for a little party and you want a couple little dishes, maybe pick one of them and do one of them. You don't need to do all 3.
Right.
We did all 3 because that's what it called for, but truth is, each one of them was a 15 or 20 minute worth of work.
Right. Right. Look, so appetizer-y.
Yeah. All right. So,
Brothers Bistro, here for your health. And don't forget to sign up to YouTube and hit the notifications and give us a big thumbs up.